If your Ariane snowblower doesn't start the beginning of the winter, this is the first thing to do. Grab a 10mm wrench and just look underneath. You have this priming button. Underneath you have two bolts on this small reservoir here. This one is just to keep the reservoir in place. This one is to drain it. So just release that bolt. Use the good gloves, not the blue one. You don't want to smell your hand with gasoline. Also, place it outside. You are going to use a hose to clean the gasoline that will leak. And just undo the screw, let it drain. It may look yellowish. Place the screw back in place. Again, gloves are really good in this situation here. Watch out with the screw so you don't drop it on the floor. And then tighten back. I have my hand full of it. That's just right. Tighten back, not too much. Just give it a snort, just that, and that's all. And give it a try. Prime it and start it. See how it goes. You just prime, push it once fully, and you should hear a squeak inside. You hear that? Just a small squeak. Just give it a try. See how it goes. Don't forget to grab a hose to wash all that gasoline off the floor, because it really stinks. So never do this inside the house. And thanks for watching.